Hello, let us learn the meaning of the word factors. Definition of factors. Remember when we talked about whole numbers and we described that using you having a complete apple. Now imagine you have to share that apple with your friends. Then you approach a grown-up who then uses a knife to cut that apple into a number of slices. Now the aim here is that this grown-up has to divide this apple into a number of shares that is equal for all of you, that is you and your friends. That is, all the division has to be fair. What you get and what your friends get should be equal. This will help us to understand the meaning of factors. Let us define a factor. A factor is a number which divides a whole number without a remainder. So I'm saying here a factor is a number which divides a whole number without a remainder. So let's say you have just one apple and you have to share this apple with 3 other of your friends. One of the ways we can divide this apple is into 4 equal shares. In this case, you and 3 of your friends get equal share. There are several of these factors that we will find as we discuss this topic on and on. But what we mean by a factor, which you should get without any error, is that any number at all that you can use to divide a whole number without leaving a remainder. Like in the case of this apple, you get 1 share, the other 3 friends get their own share. Nothing is left behind. So any other way you can divide this in such a way that you all get equal number of shares without leaving a remainder, then we talk about factors. Let's read the meaning of factor one more time. Together now, what is a factor? A factor is a number which divides a whole number without a remainder. And that is what a factor means. Thank you.